So in this video, I'll be preparing elemental iodine from an iodide salt. Over here, I have a mixture of iodide, acetate, oxalate, and sulfate salts. So I'll be using this mixture for my preparation of iodine. The other ions may not interfere in our synthesis, so I'm using this mixture. The mixture is transferred into a beaker. Over here, I'm using a 250 ml beaker. I placed the beaker on a tripod stand. The flame was off. To this, I added 10 milliliters of concentrated sulfuric acid. As I added the sulfuric acid, you can see some violet vapors of iodine are evolved. I placed a round bottom flask filled with ice cold water to condense the iodine. I placed a windshield because I was doing this outside and there were a lot of air currents. Now I lit my spirit lamp and started heating. As I heated it, more iodine was evolved. Some people call it iodine and some people call it iodine. In our country, most of the people call it iodine. By what name you call it? Please tell me in the comments below. Iodine or iodine? So I left it for 15 minutes. And you can see that there is some acetic acid also formed, which is dripping down the round bottom flask. After 15 minutes, these were the crystals that I got. There was also a lot of acetic acid formed in the reaction, due to which the crystals were wet and it smelled horrible because of the mixed smell of iodine and acetic acid. So I scraped off the crystals from the beaker and the round bottom flask, and then I transferred these crystals on the filter paper to dry them. The filter paper would soak up the acetic acid. If I would have first used filter paper and not used the A4 paper, I would not have lost some yield because a lot of iodine got stuck inside the A4 paper. I tried to scrape off as much as of iodine I could get from the paper, but the paper started disintegrating. So these were the crystals that I have got after drying. I transferred these crystals into a vial containing a small amount of iodine. These many crystals I have got in the first run. Now I added some more sulfuric acid and I also added some manganese dioxide so that more iodine would be evolved. And you can see that I have got some crystals. So these are the crystals that I have got in my second run. I scraped them off using my spatula and transferred them on a filter paper to dry them. So these are the crystals that I have got in my second run. These were also transferred into the vial. So I didn't show the third run, but these were the crystals that I got in my third run. I also transferred them into my vial, and this was the final yield of iodine that I have got. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel.